Okay guys, I'm called Scott Frankis, the tiles technician of Earth Legend Construction. So today we are going to tiles this our floor. Let me turn the back camera. So this floor like this, we are going to tiles this floor. So looking at this floor right now, we begin with this floor 2 days ago, and due to shortage of material we could not be able to continue. So those are the tiles, and now we are going to clean the floor before working. Then after that we are going to upload every single pictures, videos on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook. So you can follow Earth Legend Construction on TikTok. If you like our creativity, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks.